Hello, dear students. How are you? I wish all of you will be healthy and safe. So, student, today I am going to start a new another topic, that is number system. Okay, it is totally different from Python. So, what is number system? So, when we type some letters or words in the computer, so computer translate them in numbers. Okay, as computers can understand only numbers. Okay, so whenever you input any word, letters, anything you input in the computer, so computer translate them in numbers, because computer understands only 0 and 1 or only numbers. Okay, so what are number systems? So number systems are the technique to represent numbers in computer system architecture. So using different number system, you can represent your values in computer system architecture. Okay, so every value that you are saving or getting into or from computer memory has a defined number system. Means every value, everything you are saving or getting from computer has a defined number system. Clear? Okay, so what is the use of number system? So there are different type of operating system, different type of digital machines. So all these different type of machines or operating system supports different type of number system. Okay, so there is a requirement of conversion from one number system to another number system. So in this chapter you will learn how to convert one number system to another number system. But before it, you have to learn how many types of number systems are available. Okay, so computer architecture supports the following number systems: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Okay, what are these? Let's see. So in decimal number system, only digits 0 to 9 are used. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 10 digits are used. So base of decimal number system is 10. Okay, for example, here you have the number. So here you have the digits 0 to 9, not 11, 12, 13, and so on. And the base is 10. So this is the example of decimal number system. You can use decimal also. Okay, 756.95. Okay, this is also the example of decimal number system. Okay, one thing you have to remember, whenever you write down a number, any number system, you have to write down the base also. Okay, so base is required to identify the number system. Okay, so next one is binary number system. Binary means 2. So the binary number system contains only two digits, 0 and 1. Since it has two digits, so the base is 2. Okay, for example, 1101. So this is the combination of 0 and 1. So it is the example of binary number system, and base is 2. Okay, so you can write down the binary number in decimal form also. Okay, so 110 like this you can use. Okay, so octal number system. So in the octal number system, 0 to 7 digits are used. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, since it is using 0 to 7, 8 digits, so base is 8. For example, 5, 6, 7, 4, and base is 8. uh, you can use decimal also. Okay, so these are some examples of octal number system. And the hexadecimal system, the hex, what do you mean by hex? Hex means 6 and decimal means 10. So it has base 16. 10 plus 6, 16. So it uses digits from 0 to 15. 0 to 15. So it uses 0 to 9 in the form of digits, but the 10 is represented by A, 11 by B, 12 by C, 13 by D, 14 by E, and 15 by F. Clear? Since it is using 0 to 15 means 16 digits, so base is 16. For example, A78B like this, 656, you can use decimal here also, like, and base is 16. Okay, so this is the introduction of number system. In decimal number system, you have to use digit 0 to 9, base is 10. In binary, 2 digits and base is 2. In octal, 0 to 7, 8 digits, so base is 8. And hexadecimal number, 0 to 15, 16 digits, so base is 60. Okay, so now next, conversion. How to convert the number system from one number system to another number system. Okay, so first of all, you learn how to convert decimal to binary. basically we will learn how to convert decimal to others. Okay, so in this video I will tell you how to convert decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, so first of all you should know how to convert decimal to binary. So this is the representation of decimal number system. You have to use the digit 0 to 9, for example 85, and base is 10. So it is a decimal number and you have to convert it into binary number. Since here the base is 2, so you have to convert this number into binary number system. Let's see how can we convert a decimal number system to binary number system. In the binary the base is 2, so you have to divide this number by 2. Okay, let's see how. For example, you have 85 here, the number is 85, so you will divide 85 by 2. If you divide 2, if you divide 85 by 2, you will get 42 as an integer and remainder will be 1. Okay. Now again, you have to divide this number again and again by 2. If you divide 42 by 2, you will get 21 and remainder will be 0. Okay. And again 2, you will get 10 and remainder will be 1. Again 2, 5 is 10 and remainder will be 0. And 2 is 4 and remainder is 1. And 2 is 2 and remainder is 0. Now if you have got 1 here, so your calculation is completed. The number will be 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So that will be your number. 1 0. You have to write down the remainder. You have to write down the remainder in reverse order. 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 and 1. So this is the binary number of 85. Okay, here your result will be this. Clear? So this is the way how to convert decimal number into binary number. Got it? Now the next question is how to convert a decimal point number to binary. Okay, for example, okay, I am repeating this question again. Suppose you have a number like this 85.46. Okay, so you have to convert this decimal number into binary number. First of all, you have to convert 85 into binary. So if you convert 85 into binary, you will get this number. And next question is how to convert this 0.456 into binary. Okay, for this, what you have to do, you have first of all take the decimal part. So your decimal part is 0.46. What you have to do, you have to multiply it by 2. Then okay, here I am writing here like this 0.46 and multiplied by 2, and you write down equal A9 multiplied by B9. Okay, basically what I am doing here, I am multiplying this value into 2. Okay, multiply your decimal part by 2, you will get 0.92. so before decimal you are getting 0, so this is your value. So write down here 0.0. Okay, next, now you have the decimal part is 0.92, so here write down 0.92. Okay, and you have to again multiply it by 2, so you have to repeat it again. So now you will get, before decimal you are getting 1, so here write down 1. Okay, now the decimal part is 0.84, so repeat it 0.84, and you have to multiply it by 2, you will get 1.68. so before decimal you are getting 1, write down here 1. Okay, now next decimal part is 0.68 and multiplied by 2, and you will get 1.36. so write down here 1. I think up to 4 decimal places is sufficient. So this is the way to convert your decimal number in decimal point to binary. Okay, I hope all of you have understood how to convert decimal to binary number system. Okay, so next question is how to convert decimal to octal. Okay, how to convert decimal to octal. Okay, for example, you have a number like 857, sorry, decimal 857, and the base is 10, and you have to convert it into octal. So base of octal is 8. It means you have to convert this number into octal number system. So the process is same. Here you have divided by 2, but here you will divide your number by 8. Okay, and you will keep the remainder in reverse order. Okay, let's see. Here you have to divide. Okay, now I am putting that. So your number is 857. 857. Okay, if you divide it by 8, so 8 ones are 8 in 0 756, and remainder is 1, like this. Okay, if you divide 106 by 8, 8 ones are 8, and you do 8 3 are 24, you will get 2. Okay, now 8 ones are 8. Okay, and remainder is 5. Okay, now you have the number 1521. Your number will be 1521. 1521. So this is your octal representation. Okay, easier to write down number. So this is your octal representation. Okay, what will happen if you have a number in decimal form? So in this case, suppose you have this number, what you will get if you write down 85 point like 75. Okay, this is your decimal number. So 875 will be converted into octal number. You will get 1521. Okay, but how can we convert? So it is simple process. You have to multiply it by 8 in decimal part. Let's say you have a number 0.75. 0.75, sorry, write down equal 0.75 multiplied by 8. Okay, then you will get 6, complete 6. Yani there is no decimal part here, so you will directly write down 6 here. So you will write down 0.6 here. Okay, if suppose you have here 8 7, like this. Okay, not what you will write down. So 0.87. What you have to do, you have to multiply it by 0.87 by 8. You will get 6.96. So the decimal before decimal you are getting 6. So here you will write down 6. Okay, and the decimal part is 0.96. So equal 0.96 will be multiplied by again 8. You will get 7.68. So the before decimal you are getting 7. So write down here 7. Okay, now decimal part is 0.68. 0.68 multiplied by, okay, before you have to write down the equal sign, equal 0.68 multiplied by 8, you will get 5.44. So write down here 4. Up to 3 places is sufficient. Okay, so this is the way to convert decimal number to octal number system. Okay, so next one is how to convert decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, how to convert decimal to hexadecimal. If you want to convert decimal to hexadecimal, the process is same, but here you will use 16 instead of 2 or 8. For example, you have a number like this. Take a 19. You have a number this, and base is, okay, base is, I am copying this number. Okay, is it? Your number is like this. Okay, this is your decimal number. You have to convert it into 16. Sorry, hexadecimal. Okay, so process is same. What you have to do, you have to divide your number by 16. 8, write down 8579. 8579. You have to divide it by 16. Write down it 16. Okay, what you will get if you divide this 85 by 16? 18. So 16. Sorry, 16. You will get 8579. 8. 16 5s are 80, 16 5s are 80, and you will get 5. 16 3s are 48, and you will get 9 here. 16 6 are 96. Okay, you will get 5 3 6, and the remainder will be 5 3. Remainder will be 3. Okay, now again you have to divide it by 16. So now divide 5 3 6 by 16. You will get 16 3s are 48. 16 3s are 48, and 5 is the so the other, let's see. And 16 3s are 48. Okay, you will get remainder as 7. Okay, now again 16 16 2s are 30. So 16 2s are 32, and remainder will be 1. Okay, so now 2173 will be your hexadecimal number. Okay, so 212173 will be your hexadecimal number. Okay, okay, let's take another example. In this example, I am taking a number like this. Here I am changing the number. The number is 1583 like this. Okay, so repeat this process again. Here the number is 1583. If you divide 1583 by 16, you will get 98, and the remainder will be 50. Okay, if you divide 98 by 16, you will get 16 6 and 96, and remainder is 2. Okay, so now there is no 2. So now you have the number 6 to 15. Okay, the number is 6 2 and 15, but here the 15 is not the part of the hexadecimal number, so 15 is represented as F. So you have to write down F in place of 15. Okay, suppose you have a decimal part also like this 489. What you have to do, you have to multiply it by 16. Okay, repeat this process again. 0.89, so 0.89 multiplied by 16, you will get 14.24. So you will get 4.14, but 14 is represented by E. So write down here E, not 14. Okay, E. Okay, now the decimal part is 0.24. So equal 0.24 multiplied by 16, you will get 3.84. So here write down 3. Okay, now equal 0.84 multiplied by 16, you will get 13.44. Write down here 13. Okay, so 13 is replaced, 13 will be replaced by D. So write down here D. I think up to 3 places is sufficient. So this is the way to convert decimal to others. Okay, you know how to convert decimal to binary. Divide by the number by 2, and the decimal to octal, divide the number by 8. If you want to convert decimal to hexadecimal, you have to divide the number by 16. Okay, so you have to do practice to convert one number system to another number system. If you want to verify the answer, how can we verify the answer? It's a very simple. In the Windows, you have a calculator. Okay, you have the calculator here. Okay, so here you have the standard calculator, but you have the programming calculator also. Okay, so right click on the scientific calculator. I think scientific, no, it's a programmer. Okay, so in programming number system, you have the hexadecimal, octal, and binary. So take any number and convert it into any form. For example, you have a decimal number like this. You have a 10. If you want to convert it into binary, you will get 1010. Okay, the 10 is represented by A like this. Clear? So you can verify your answer using this calculator also. Okay, I have explained the method, and you can use the calculator to verify your answer, to check your answer. I think enough for today. So have a nice day, be healthy, be safe.